Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off or revoke the permission to our applications to use our camera. So, to disallow usage of our camera, we have to go to Settings. We are looking for Security and Privacy options here, and here we have Privacy. And we'll be using Permission Manager. Now, 4 out of 19 applications are using our camera or are allowed to use it. Let's look at it. As you can see, there are a few that can use our camera while only the application is active, or the Chrome, for example, will ask every time to grant permission. So let's revoke permissions to Mr. Chrome. Do not allow. I don't want Chrome to use my camera, and now it won't ever do it again. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.